Hello YouTube, in the words of the Out Here brothers, boom boom boom, let me hear you say whale. Whale! So guys, in this video we're celebrating that I've just managed to earn the biggest affiliate commission that I've ever earned. So a few weeks, maybe a few months ago, I earned $100 commission, and that was the biggest commission I'd achieved at the time. Before that, it was a dollar here, a dollar there, pittance really, through Amazon affiliate marketing and various different kind of ClickBank products. Over the last few weeks, last few months, I've earned a couple of $100, and I've just landed the big one. So I've just been tagged into a post on Facebook in one of the groups I'm in for a product that I promote, and the owner of that product has basically tagged me and said, Johnny Davis has just qualified for a $498.50 commission. So almost $500 commission. And to say I'm pleased is an understatement. This is the confidence boost, the push, the nudge, the pat on the back, the big group hug that I needed to just say you're on the right track, you're doing the right thing. And I wanted to create a quick video because one thing I learned from the start was when you're getting started with building your own business, when you're trying to create your own little empire, when you're trying to learn and show people how you're progressing, you've got to document your journey. Document your journey, show all the highs, show all the lows, and this is a high. So I wanted to create a video around this just to capture how I'm feeling at the moment as I've just earned $500 by recommending something. And in 2 seconds, I'm going to tell you my two main takeaways and how you too can make big affiliate commissions by recommending products that you believe in and love. So first of all, the commission I've just earned is based on a course that I promote. It's an affiliate marketing course, and it's basically the A to Z. It's everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and more. Mindset, building your business. It's got absolutely everything in there. It's a brilliant, brilliant product. So I also promote that product, and it's someone's basically come in and they've bought that product, and I've got a percentage of the sale, and that is why I've got a $500 commission. So I'm made up, and there's two reasons why. Two reasons that I'm going to tell you now that I think would help you with your own venture. So whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, whatever it is, wherever you've got an audience, this is how I believe you can get some high ticket affiliate marketing commissions. So 6 or 7 months ago, I started really getting into affiliate marketing. I've spent the last couple of years trying various different side hustles. And 6, 7 months ago, I decided that's it now. I'm going to stop selling on Amazon. I'm going to stop trying to flog crap on eBay. I'm basically just going to focus on my affiliate marketing and website building as well. So I've focused on it. I've really kind of committed to it. I've got stuck in and I've been creating content. And that's where the difference has been. So my first takeaway from getting this big commission, this big win that I've got, is by creating content. So the products that I actually sold, I've got a blog review of it. I've got various YouTube reviews of it. Most of my YouTube videos will point back to this product. I try and create content that can help people and encourage people and show that even as an introvert, even as a bit of a geeky dad with hardly any time to spare, who's sat here now while the family's all asleep trying to do videos, if you create content, blog posts, YouTube videos, Facebook groups, whatever it is, create that content, put it out there, and someone will find it, someone will stumble across it. And if they use your link and they buy that product, you get a commission. That is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You put a link out there, whether it's to an audience that already know you, whether it's to a cold audience, whether it's on a blog post, a YouTube video, wherever it is, if someone buys through that link and they believe in that product as well, then you get a commission for that. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. So I'm a dad of 2 and I've got a 9-to-5 job. I don't have a lot of time to do this. So I've really got to push myself and grab every minute that I can. So sometimes it might be on my lunch break. It might be in the late hours of the night. I might be writing that blog post. I might be prepping for a YouTube video or filming it. You've got to put the effort in. You've got to create the content. If you don't put anything out there, no one's going to find you. That's what you've got to do first of all. So put the content out there. So that's what's happening in this case. Now, number 2, this is the next big takeaway I'm going to give you now for this big high ticket affiliate commission I've just earned. The person that bought it was already aware of this course. They were already aware that the person whose course it is, it's a guy called Zach Crawford, they were already aware that he is good. They've seen his content. So they've been around, they've looked, they've found him on YouTube, they've seen his work, they've joined a Facebook group and they've seen that he's good. They've then used my link or my review and they've gone through that, and that's what's earned me the commission. So it's not necessarily my copywriting skills or my bridge page video, or I don't know how much I've convinced them. I may have convinced them, I may have given them a final nudge, or I may have done absolutely nothing, and I was just in the right place at the right time, and mine was the last link that they used before they bought that course. It doesn't matter really. My job was done by putting the content out there. My second job is to tell people why they should buy it. Now, this is the big takeaway, the big tip with affiliate marketing, especially high ticket stuff. Only promote products that you believe in. Only promote good products that you'll pay for out your own money. This course I'm on, this course I believe in. I believe this course has the potential to kind of change people's lives. If they're willing to put the work in, if they're willing to push the comfort zones, and they're willing to just get stuck into it, then I do believe this is probably the best affiliate marketing course out there. Now, other people will see that and other people will believe that. So who knows how much I persuaded this person? It doesn't really matter at this point, because when they've gone, they've looked at the products, they've looked at the person and the course itself, they've convinced them. They know what they're getting, they've done the research. You're not pulling the wool over anyone's eyes here. Promote good products and do it ethically, do it with that integrity, and you won't go far wrong. So whatever your niche is, whether it's a parenting blog, a sports blog, you're into gaming, whatever it is, promote products that you believe in. Don't just go for whatever pays you the most money and try and build around that. If it's a rubbish product but pays high commissions, then you're going to struggle. You need to genuinely believe in that product. So that's my 2 takeaways. Get the content out there and promote products that you believe in. So I wanted to create this video just to celebrate my win. Like I say, you've got to really. It takes a long time to build a business. If it's a blog or a YouTube channel, it's not a quick process, but do it in the right way. Put the right content out there, promote the right products, believe in the right people, and eventually you get the rewards as well. So if you're already doing this and you're already committed, just keep creating that content. Keep doing what you're doing, you'll get there, honestly. This is a little win for me, hopefully the start of the next stage of my journey. But yeah, I just wanted to put a quick video together. So thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, so that's making money, building businesses online, creating an additional income stream, subscribe to my channel, hit the comments, let me know what kind of thing you're looking to learn. Cheers guys.